Hey, what's up everyone? I've got a quick one for you today. I'm doing a demo of server statuses changing between different health codes. So they flap between okay, warn, and bad. And mostly you'll notice that the statuses aren't entirely random. They tend to have stretches where things mostly are okay, and then sometimes they warn and sometimes they're bad, but you don't see completely randomized states. This actually is meant to be a little bit more realistic in that regard. I want to show you the code that actually powers this. This is a super common use case in synthetic data, and ShadowTraffic has the primitives to make it happen. So if I pull up my text editor, we're looking at a configuration that generates data out to Postgres because that's a really easy medium for Grafonic to interact with. And then I have my 10 different servers listed here, 0 through 9, and all of the logic for the state machine is the same for each one. So I factored it into a common module called status SM for state machine, and that's kind of where all the interesting information is happening. So I use a function called state machine. I set an initial state to be okay. And then here's the meat of it. I set up transitions so that I'd use a weighted one of function to go from okay to mostly okay again, or sometimes to warn, or sometimes to bad in lesser cases. And I do the same thing for all the other cases. Warn tends to stay in the warning state and sometimes delegate out to okay or bad, and likewise bad. And then I just name my states. Here I just do something really, really simple with the data. I just name it okay, warn, or bad, just so I can kind of color code things in Grafana. But you can do things as much as you want. You could put numbers here. You could put any kind of status codes. But the result is that you get a nice real-time stream of status codes coming in, and you can tune these to be as sensitive as you want to move between the different states. And so hopefully you see the pattern. I think it helps with a lot of use cases. And thanks for watching.